What's the meaning of cinephile? Cinephile. Cinephile.
Cinephile. Cinephile. A cinephile is a person who has a strong interest and appreciation for cinema. They are passionate about movies, and often seek out unique or lesser-known films to watch. Cinephiles may have extensive knowledge of film history and theory, and enjoy discussing and analyzing movies with others. They may also attend film festivals or special screenings, and collect movie memorabilia. Overall, cinephiles are dedicated fans of the art of filmmaking and see movies as more than just entertainment, but as a form of artistic expression.